Hi, my name is Jenny and I highly recommend the Groove Child syllabus. I purchased the purple level, the first level, a while back and immediately realised what an amazing syllabus it was. I've since then purchased the yellow and orange and I'm eagerly awaiting the next levels to come out. We implemented them across our Zoom classes while we were in lockdown to start with, and then we've brought them into our face-to-face classes as well. I think at a time just now while the world is particularly crazy and there's so much going on, the mindset and visualization stuff is fantastic, and we have had such a great response from our children, all ages, from 3 right up to 16-17-year-olds. We've used the visualization stuff. We call it our focus time, and it's a bit of a gateway between the craziness of the outside world and coming in to become focused and ready to dance. The rest of the syllabus is amazing too. It's got some brilliant routines, it's got some great teaching points. It's really easily set out, easy to find. I just bring my iPad into class with me and I have everything just at the touch of my fingers to be able to find. The music tracks are amazing. My other dance teacher that works with me is constantly humming along to some of the tunes. So there is nothing about the syllabus that we don't like. It's got all the kind of star qualities that you would want in a syllabus that you can just pick up and run and use within your classes. We are so excited to see the next levels to come out, and we can't wait to continue using the Groove Child syllabus within our classes.